Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. I thank you so much for joining me today. For today, I just want to show you another Black History backdrop idea. I have an Favorite Mart backdrop stand, and then I have another backdrop stand that has the top and bottom crossbars. And I will be sure to link those below. I am going to just insert a clip to show you how I added these panels to the backdrop stand. I have a total of 8 panels, and that's a total of 4 packs. So they are 5 by 10 feet. And I'm gonna show you how I did this weaving design. I already did this design, but I'm just gonna show you, just share with you how I did it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the green, I went under. The green is over the yellow, under the red, over the black. So I'm trying to do like, have it like go over it, go under it for the next color, go over it, then go under it for the next color. So I hope that makes sense. So with the yellow, I went over, under, over, under. Okay. So I'm just pre-weaving it. So I'm just going over, under, and just alternating. So that way I can go ahead and knock the red and the black out at once. So I went ahead and hurried up and weaved them through. So now I'm about to get ready to pull them over to the other side. So I'm also adjusting the fabric to have my pleats looking neat. And my red, yellow, and green, these fabrics, they pleat so nicely. I really don't like the black because it's like a stiffer polyester, but I'm making it work anyway. So I'm about to get ready to pull the red and the black over to the other side. Keeping it under, the red will be under the yellow and the black will be under the red. So feel free to play around with this. You can probably, if you're using multiple colors, you could probably put your drapes on a little bit different from the way I did mine, because I'm curious to see what if I just kind of had the black, the red, the yellow, the green, and then switch back to the black, the red, the yellow, and green. And I'm curious to see how it would turn out. So you might want to play around with it. But basically, I just took care of one half of my drapes, and I just used, okay, like I put it over, under, over, under, over, under. And then with the next drape, if I started with over, I would start with under with that one and take it through. So I guess that's all I can say about it. Just feel free to play around with the pattern of the colors. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Again, I want to wish you a happy Black History Month. Until I see you next time. Bye.